Sniffles is the smartest one out of all the Happy Tree Friends characters. But, I mean, he's not always the smartest. In his case, I think it's so smart and yet so dumb at the same time. Right? And okay. And I also saw this meme on Facebook, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I feel like that's accurate, but no disrespect for the character Sniffles. But yeah, we're gonna be drawing Sniffles today. Let's see how that turns out. Hey guys, John here today. Welcome back to a new video. So back in February, I asked you guys who is the next Happy Tree Friends character that I should draw. So you guys voted, and the winner of that poll so far was Sniffles. So yeah, Sniffles is the next character that I'm going to draw. Now this is... Hi guys, this is me from the future editing this video, and I just wanted to clarify some things that I didn't really get right when I was recording this. I decided that I am starting to call this a series, the HTF Character Drawing Series. I am going to be drawing every single character from the show, and I'm only going to be doing the main characters and no fan characters or anything like that. Just wanted to clarify things up. So enjoy the rest of the video. So I've done some of the characters, and I want to try to do all of them. I want to do every single one. And then probably at the end of the series, I'll probably do one big drawing on a big piece of paper. Oh, do you guys want to see that? Actually, if you guys want to see that, let me know, because I will do it. If you guys want me to do a big drawing of all the Happy Tree Friends characters, just the main ones, not fan characters. Just so you know, not fan characters, just the main cast. But let me know in the comments down below, because I will do it. Once the series is done, I will do a big drawing. But for today, and just for today, we're going to be drawing Sniffles. And then probably next month, I'll probably post a poll asking you guys who is next. And I might have an idea on who's next. I'm not 100% sure who it's going to be, but I just have a hunch. I just have a hunch on who it might be next. So, with all that said and done, I think we should get started. So, let's get to it. to take a second real quick and say this, and as you can see, I decided to add a little background for this drawing. And as you know, I'm going to start doing backgrounds more often for all these character drawings, but yeah, that's all I gotta say. Enjoy. well, with that being said, the drawing is done. Can you see? Okay. And I really like how this turned out. It looks really great. I really like how everything just went together. Well, to me, if you don't think so, just... Anyway, this took me some time to make, but I was able to do it. If you notice some color differences in the drawing, it's probably because I tried to pick the right colors and I couldn't be able to. So then I was in a way, overthinking it a little bit, and just try to find some colors that would work for the drawing. But I think it looks great, and let me know down in the comments below what you think of this drawing and what do you think of it overall. But with all that being said, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more art soon, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so that way you will be notified of every single upload coming out very soon. Because I have some videos in the works, and I just need to record them and then do everything. But just like that, another character is drawn, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And let me know if you want me to redraw Sniffles, or if you want me to redraw another drawing I did in this series I'm doing, because I want to draw all the characters and maybe do like a big drawing of all of them. And let me know if you're interested in that, because I will do it. I will do it. But that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. John will sell out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. With